We're Alpine Labs. Over the last 4 years, we've kickstarted 4 products that expand your camera's capabilities. And now, we've built the best remote trigger we can imagine. This is Pulse, the most powerful way to control your camera from your smartphone. Pulse lets you take a photo without having to touch or shake your camera, so you can get sharp images in any conditions, or capture moments where you can't be next to your camera. But Pulse isn't just a trigger. It gives you all the functionality you expect from shooting with your DSLR or mirrorless camera, but remotely from your smartphone. You can change all of your camera settings through the app, or just check your histogram to make sure everything is looking good. Unlike other triggers, Pulse lets you start and stop video too. And because you can control up to 3 cameras at once, you can get all the right angles for your shot, even if you are just a team of 1. Pulse is also the most powerful time-lapse trigger on the market. So if you are taking your very first time-lapse, or getting the holy grail of time-lapses, a day-to-night transition, we've designed Pulse to give you maximum control. We started Alpine Labs because Kickstarter backers like you believed in our ideas. Initially, we were inspired to make better tools for time-lapse, and this year, we started focusing on camera control and remote triggers. The products out there were either cheap or lacked functionality, and some solutions just wouldn't fit in our camera bags. We wanted a product that was sleek, fit beautifully with your camera, and gave you complete control wherever you were shooting. So we got to work and designed Pulse. Your support gives us the ability to build the best products we can imagine and to continue to work on new ideas. From all of us at Alpine Labs, thank you.
The Hercules. The Hercules is the world's smallest motion control camera system and allows anyone to capture stunning cinematic video footage with virtually any camera. Conventional motion control systems create beautiful shots, but they're huge, bulky, expensive, difficult to use. What if there was a way to have a device that captured the same type of footage as those enormous expensive rigs that was small enough and light enough to fit in your pocket and take with you anywhere, just like your smartphone? What if it was easy enough to use that anyone, from a professional photographer or videographer, all the way down to someone whose only experience with photography is their smartphone, could learn to use it easily and intuitively? We took all those what-if questions and answered them with the Hercules. The Hercules easily gets traditional slider moves, curved moves, motorized dolly shots, motion controlled time lapses, automated panoramas, all in the palm of your hand. The Hercules is incredibly tough. The Hercules is durable. And living up to its name, the Hercules is strong, able to support pretty much any camera out there, from the smallest action cam, smartphone, DSLR, all the way up to a full-size motion picture camera. The Hercules can go from being in your pocket to being assembled, programmed, and shooting within 30 seconds. The Hercules on its own is incredibly versatile and can be used almost anywhere. With the optional rail, you can use it as a traditional slider for elevated shots, or for even more dynamic moves. It's easily programmable with a single button. We wanted the Hercules to be small, and we also wanted to make sure that it wouldn't require some specialized rechargeable battery that would be difficult to find in a pinch. So it runs off of a single AAA battery. The Hercules was designed through the collaboration of electrical engineers, robotics designers, software developers, and filmmakers. The Hercules is manufactured using the highest quality materials and state-of-the-art equipment. The Hercules is not vaporware. This is not something that has yet to be designed or tested or built. It's here today, ready to go.
The distinctive look of these photos is near impossible to achieve using Photoshop and filters. So why are we bringing the lens back 2 centuries after it was first created? Well, the original Petzval lens was designed in order to work with cameras manufactured in the 19th century. It's extremely hard to find a Petzval lens today which works well with smaller format cameras and produces the same unique effect, and the Petzval lenses you do find are usually defective because of their age. That's why we set ourselves the exciting challenge to produce a brand new Petzval lens for the 21st century. The lenses are crafted from brass, just like the original Petzval lens was, and they look amazing when connected to your SLR camera. Each lens is produced in Russia by Zenit, a company steeped in tradition and famed for their skill in developing high-quality optical equipment. The team at Zenit have redrawn, recalculated and remeasured the original 1840 Petzval lens to make it work with a whole host of modern cameras. In reinventing the Petzval, we have had to re-engineer the optics of the original lens and make them work with modern SLR cameras, while still retaining the effects that have made the original Petzval famous.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Oliver.
And I'm Richard.
We are the creators of iFlow, a portable dolly for professional and amateur needs. We quickly realized there was a lot of professional equipment accessories that had not yet been made accessible to the public, limiting video possibilities. Up until now, mostly all accessories were too heavy and bulky, restricting filming and making long shots impossible for any spontaneous or solo filmmaking. iFlow opens up a whole new range of video possibilities for any kind of filmmaker. iFlow stabilizes camera movements, enabling a fluid, professional quality shot no matter where you're filming. Lightweight, powerful, and easy to use, the iFlow is designed for compact cameras, SLR cameras, and smartphones. So when it's time to film, simply attach your smartphone or any other device weighing up to 2 pounds and latch your iFlow to any flat surface around you. It's that simple. Made with premium reinforced plastic materials, the iFlow is less than 8 inches long and weighs less than 1 pound. Its soft, polyurethane wheels add smoothness to your movements and absorbs any vibrations created by the surface. The iFlow can be used both horizontally and vertically, of even incline perspective. Bring iFlow anywhere and everywhere, and iFlow will bring your video to higher levels. heavy-duty clamp structure surrounds the surface and stabilizes the dolly, as a set of 2 springs secures the iFlow tightly to any surface ranging from 1/4 inch to 2 inches wide. Need a wider angle? You simply have to pull the wheels and change the angle to the wide surface position. If you prefer to use iFlow on a flat surface, open the clamp system to its maximum and the lock system will automatically keep iFlow in position.
My name is Iris, and I'm the founder of Kula. I founded the company 3 years ago to bring 3D photography to anyone. We are here on Kickstarter, so you can use your own camera to take 3D pictures. We have developed 2 different devices to take 3D pictures and videos. Kula Deeper is for your SLR, Kula Bebe is for your smartphone. Our image processing software, Kula Code, can transform the images and videos to basically any 3D format available. Now you will be able to use your own camera to take 3D pictures and videos.
Right. That's very impressive.
That is. That is cool.
Ah. Hula hoops on the lava.
Ja, super.
Wij dan alle vet
We are going to use the funding from Kickstarter for production of Kula Deeper and Kula Bebe. Please let us bring 3D photography to your memories and pledge for our project. Thank you very much.